Hello everyone, we welcome all international students in Korea. You've started your studies and a valuable journey in a new place. Adapting to an unfamiliar culture and language may be difficult, but it's also a great opportunity for growth. Today, I'll provide safety training for your safe and healthy life abroad. Safety is the foundation of life. I'll cover what you must know to stay accident-free while studying and working. I hope this training helps you. Let's begin the training. Here is the table of contents. We'll cover basic Korean etiquette, safety tips for restaurant, and precautions for factory jobs, and life safety topics like fire evacuation and CPR. Let's look at the learning objectives. Understand basic etiquette in Korea. Second, identify precautions for restaurant part-time jobs. Third, identify precautions for factory part-time jobs. Fourth, know how to find exits and evacuate during a fire. Fifth, know how to perform CPR and first aid. What are some of the basic etiquettes in South Korea? Let's find out. To communicate effectively with Koreans at work, understanding the culture and etiquette will help build good relationships. South Korean values respect and consideration. I've summarized basic etiquette into 4 main points. First, using honorifics. In South Korea, we use honorifics for elders or strangers. Greetings like 안녕하세요, 감사합니다, and 식사하셨어요 are exchanged. Second, greeting etiquette. When greeting, make eye contact and bow your head slightly. Third is punctuality. In South Korea, as a sign of respect, you should not be late for appointments. Please arrive 5 to 10 minutes early and wait. Being late is considered impolite. Next is public etiquette. When using the subway or bus, do not talk loudly on the phone or with others. You should not sit in priority seats. There are other rules, but if you follow these 4 points well, it will greatly help you communicate with those around you.